Today we'll be verifying that tangent squared of x times sine squared of x is equal to tangent squared of x minus sine squared of x. Our first step is to change everything to sines and cosines. We know that tangent squared of x changes to sine squared of x over cosine of x. Next, we want to make sine squared of x a fraction too, so we put that over 1. For our next step, we want to get a common denominator, so we multiply sine squared of x over 1 by cosine squared of x. Now we have sine squared of x over cosine squared of x minus sine squared of x times cosine squared of x over cosine squared of x. For our next step, we want to make it one fraction instead of 2. So we group them together by having sine squared of x minus sine squared of x over times cosine squared of x all over cosine squared of x. For our final step, we want to factor out the sine squared of x, which leaves us with sine squared of x times the quantity of 1 minus cosine squared of x all over cosine squared of x. We know that sine squared of x over cosine squared of x is equal to tangent squared of x. And we know that 1 minus cosine squared of x is equal to sine squared of x. This proves that tangent squared of x minus sine squared of x is equal to tangent squared of x times sine squared of x.